Kavya and Kyra. Today we're going to be making some fancy chocolate dipped strawberries, like the ones you see at flower shops, and they're super easy to make and you can make them at home. Get some fresh juicy strawberries and wash them well.
Melt the baking chocolates in the microwave for 30 seconds and then stir again and put it back for 30 seconds.
If you want them plain chocolate dipped, then you can just dip them in the chocolate, keep them aside for around 5 minutes on the wax paper, and now you have the chocolate dipped strawberries. But we're going to make them a little more interesting with the different ideas we have.
No.
Okay, now that she has done this, we have stars, sprinklers, Oreos, M&Ms, nuts, peppermint, and peanut butter crunch, and we're just going to dip them in them accordingly. So the first one, I'm going to be dipping in the sprinklers. You can also do bananas or any fruit, which makes it look great for parties. Rather than getting the expensive ones, you can make them at home for quarter of the price. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys liked our video. Comment down below if you tried this recipe. Bye!